क्रिकेट की दुनिया से एक बड़ी खबर ये है कि विराट कोहली जो कि एक बहुत बड़े प्लेयर हैं, उनकी ख़राब फॉर्म पर बाबर आजम ने विराट कोहली को ट्वीट किया। उन्होंने कहा कि दिस टू शैल पास, स्टे स्ट्रॉन्ग। मोर देन 12 hours after his tweet on Virat Kohli took social media by storm, Pakistan captain Babar Azam revealed the reason behind it. Babar said his tweet was to show support for Virat Kohli, who is one of the best players. Babar said he knows that a player needs support when he goes through such a phase. As a player myself, I know you can go through such a phase, and I also know what a player goes through in such a phase. In those times, you need support. I just tweeted thinking that it will give some support. He is one of the best players, Babar said during a press conference ahead of Pakistan's first test against Sri Lanka. He is playing a lot of cricket and he knows how to come out of these situations. It takes time. If you back players, it will be really good. Babar added, I know there is been discussion going on, but we have to understand we have seen for years players go through such ups and downs, but quality never goes away. We have to keep that in mind.